fresh-faced, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, fresh-faced. This term is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning can help you enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. The phrase, fresh-faced, generally refers to someone who has a young, healthy, and vibrant appearance. It often implies a sense of innocence or naivety. This term is not just about age, it's about the appearance and impression one gives off. For example, someone might say, "The new intern is so fresh-faced. He looks full of energy and enthusiasm." Understanding the origins of phrases helps in grasping their meanings more deeply. The term, fresh-faced, likely comes from the idea of a face that looks fresh, free from tiredness or stress, similar to how one might look after waking up from a good night's sleep. It's often used in contexts where someone's youthful and unblemished appearance is being highlighted. Let's see how fresh-faced is used in different sentences. 1. Despite being in her 30s, she has a fresh-faced look that makes her seem much younger. 2. The fresh-faced students were eager to start their first day of college. 3. He walked into the interview fresh-faced and confident. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for fresh-faced include youthful, rosy-cheeked, dewy-eyed. Related phrases might include wide-eyed and innocent-looking, which also convey a sense of youth and naivety. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, fresh-faced. Remember, it's a versatile term that you can use to describe someone with a youthful and vibrant appearance. I hope this video helps you in your journey to master the English language. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using phrases like fresh-faced with ease and confidence.